Hey guys, so today I'm gonna take you with me. We're gonna be picking up our new car. Technically it's not new, but it's second-hand. It's used, but it's new to us, so let's go. Ayun guys, so medyo naabutan tayo ng gutom sa daan. Kain muna tayo dito sa Sun Geyser. Sun Geyser? Sun Geyser. Dito sa Tagaytay. Tara kain. Hi guys, so we just had lunch and now we just got to the place where we're getting the new car na. So yeah, I'll let you see what the new car is. Ayun, so this is the new car na. It's a Ford Ranger. Ayun. Let's check it out. Go around and so it's ano to, Andre? XLS. It's an XLS Ford 4x4 na manual. So the top of the line of the XLS is a manual kasi, so it doesn't come in a matic. Yun, that's my brother. Check it out. Ayan, so this is the back seat. So this is a 2020 model. It's actually quite spacious in the back. A couple of stains here and there, but that's normal for a used car. So there's a 12 volt. Yeah, so we can car charge here at the back. Yeah, it's pretty spacious. Na-open yung... Yeah, so you can open this. I don't know how. Andre, open it. Ayun. So yeah, compartment naman. Medyo dirty lang. Yeah. Okay naman siya.
And then ito nabababa. Ewan ko lang kung paano.
Nabababa siya. And then ano mangyari pag binaba?
And may
Ayan, so the tools are there.
tools there.
Saan usually ito ginagamit, Andre, pagka binaba to? For space lang? Wala lang. Storage lang for the tools, no?
Or siguro pwede tanggalin ata ito eh.
And then open sa back? Hindi ata eh.
Diba?
Yeah, yun. So just storage lang.
It
Spacious
smells
naman.
brand new.
Smells brand new. Oo nga, smells brand new. Kaya bago pa eh, 2020 lang. Diba? So yeah. Let's check out the front. Ayun, so this is the front of the 2020 Ranger. Medyo may compartments naman siya. Open to, diba? Yun. So many storage space naman. Paano to balik? Yun. Okay. So yeah, again, it doesn't come in a matic, but then it's the 4x4. So may high, low, too high. Okay. So interesting fact, when you reverse, you have to pull this thing
And then slide.
to the left, diba?
Left up.
Left up to
That's
reverse. Pero yung pag-shift, any other
ano,
upshift, downshift, you don't
normal,
have to.
normal
Yeah,
lang.
normal, wala. You don't have to pull this thing. Medyo baka makalimutan lang i-pull, pero parang fun rin siya paglaro, ano. Yun, so yun nga, for 2020 second hand, mga ano pa, cover
Plastic.
very clean, no? Linis. Parang brand new nga lang eh. Minor ano lang, yung mga issues na, yun nga, stains.
Scratches.
Pero, malilinis yun. Dali lang tanggalin yan. Ganda. Let's try it later. So, ayun, my brother's gonna start it. Start mo, bro. Yun. Sounds good. Feels good, no?
Yeah.
Feels good. Tapos, ayun, aircon. Init. Lakas mo. This one. Yun, init. init. In the Philippines, grabe yung araw dito. Grabe tirik ng araw. I don't mind the view though. Ganda ng clouds. Sunny day. It's a sunny day. Sana hindi umulan. Yeah, aircon is life in the Philippines. Promise. Try mo.
Try.
Forward mo. Forward, reverse. Try lang natin. Ano, 4 low ba? Or 2 lang?
Magalaw tayo.
Ayun. Ano, okay, go. Oh,
Oops.
dahan-dahan.
Hindi pa ako.
Okay. First gear pa lang yan?
First gear pa lang yun.
Okay, sige. Try mo reverse.
Reverse natin.
Do the, ano, yung kailangan, ano, ang tawag doon, yung pull,
Pull.
diba? Pull. Okay, reverse. Dahan-dahan ha, bakit ako sa likod. Yeah. Ganda naman. Mamatay pa kami. Ano ba yan?
Lang ba yung neutral?
Oo, kailangan mo neutral bago bitawan. Grabe, mamatay na tayo. Joke lang. Kaya yan.
Ano siya?
Calling-
Sila B-boy kasi nandun.
Kaya yan. Sige. And so this is Apple CarPlay ready. Ano yung isa? Android
Play?
Android. Basta yung Android ready din.
Yeah.
Apple user kasi kami. No bias naman. Ayun, so ready na siya for Waze, for Spotify. Okay na siya. All good. Music, mandali lang.
Music na.
Wag na, okay na yan. Ayun, so tingnan natin yung steering wheel. Okay siya oh.
Identical sa Ford Everest.
Almost the same. Almost.
Pero ang I think
difference the difference is the
the cruise control.
Yung Everest natin walang cruise
So
control.
hindi trend.
Yan, pero okay lang naman.
Okay lang naman.
Boring rin mag-cruise control eh.
Oo, hindi ka tatapak ng gas.
Oo, di ba? Okay lang siya for like highway drive na matagalan. Okay yung cruise control. But like normal drive, okay na rin yung may control ka talaga kaysa bitaw-bitaw lang, di ba? It's better that you have full control of your car. Ano, try again? Try again. Handbrake.
Brake, clutch down.
So my brother just got has had his learner's permit for a year, so medyo baguhan lang, guys. Ayan, sige. Ayun, diretso. Yeah, we're moving.
Okay na, stop na tayo.
Ayan, so ayun, dahan-dahan kasi
Oh,
you have to
sorry.
So reverse naman,
Reverse.
and then yung pull thingy. Yeah.
Wala bang sa likod?
Yeah, you have to check your mirrors. Always check your mirrors. Dahan naman, clear naman. Tingnan natin if we're gonna ayan. Oh, we're moving back naman. Ano naman, it's harder kasi it's a truck eh. It's a pickup truck. So, hirap mag-manual sa ganito if you're sanay sa smaller cars na manual, di ba? So, understandable. Sanayan lang.
You'll get used to it.
Practicean pa naman eh.
Mamaya, let's take it for a spin.
Yan, let's try it pa later. Try natin na mas maayos na road. Kasi medyo off-road to eh. So, pati-testing dito yung 4x4 niya.
4x4 niya.
Oo. Yun, so, see you in a bit, guys. Ayun, so, my turn naman to try. I haven't driven a pickup na manual, so, forgive me if like magkamali ako. Okay, clutch, brake, and then release the handbrake. First gear. Counting release sa clutch, counting bigay ng gas. Nag-move. Okay. Good sign. Goods tayo. Okay, so forward. Okay, step sa clutch, brake. And then let's go for reverse. So, pull this thingy. Ayun, pull this thingy. And then,
Wait, neutral muna.
Sorry. Nakalimutan ka agad,
Neutral
diba?
muna.
Ang hirap yung pull thingy, nakakalimutan. Anyway, so neutral. It's neutral na. Pull the
Okay.
thingy, left, up. Release the
Release
brake,
the
release the
clutch.
clutch. Then feed a little bit of gas. And then, goods. Reverse lang. Yun. Bago. Nakakapanibago kasi like, di naman ako, I'm not used to driving big car. So yun, like I'm shaking, di ba? So, neutral ulit, handbrake, release sa brake, and then sa clutch. So yun, I'm not used to driving big cars naman na manual. So, di ba nag-shaky for a bit. Yun, so, mag-practicean. You can relearn how to drive manual, lalo na in a big car. So yeah guys, peace. Ayun, so take 2 daw siya, take 2. So he wants to try again. Ganun dapat lang kang new driver, huwag kayong kakabahan. Like, just practice, like, doesn't matter. Naka-reverse pa. Okay lang yan. It's okay to make mistakes as long as you're not endangering people naman, diba? Like, how are we gonna learn if we don't commit mistakes? Oh, dahan. Yun. Okay, medyo, it's just off-road lang kasi
Pero
talaga.
sobrang gaan ng steering niya talaga.
Yeah, magaan yung steering wheel niya. Magugulat ka. Pero kasi nasa ano tayo, off-road area tayo, kaya natitesting yung pagka-off-road na.
Reverse tayo.
And try practice, di ba? Wala namang mawawala. How will we learn,
Ayun, no?
di ba? Oops, medyo naka-turn ka. So, diretso mo lang. Yun, di ba? Just practice. Sino sa to drive manual naman eh. But pag pick up, di ba, different talaga eh.
Parang different talaga kasi masyadong
Malaki, mahirap itansya eh. Pero yun, with practice naman. Any car naman eh, pagka ano, you just have to practice it.
Ayun, turn tayo.
And
Ang gaan,
confidence.
sobrang nakaka-amaze.
Yeah, off-road eh. And off-road din eh. Baka yung mga chicken wire yan, di ba?
Yeah.
So baka
So reverse na
careful.
tayo?
Yeah, reverse mo na. Turn mo pa reverse kasi nakata-slant tayo.
So paano pa turn?
Ha? Yan, sige, ganyan. Just turn it like that. Ayun, sa atras. Dahan-dahan. Hop.
Bigla tayo.
Yan.
Ayun.
Diretso mo na. Diretso na tayo. Turn mo pag ganun. Pag ganun. Yan, konti. Tapos i-diretso mo na tayo. Yan. Okay, konti pa. Atras pa ng ganun. Yan. Okay, yan. Diretso na.
Okay.
I-diretso mo na yung steering wheel. Okay. Diretso kasi diretso ba yung ano? Hindi ko alam yan. Diretso yung wheels natin. Naka-turn pa. Yan. Okay. Sige, atras lang. Atras sa bante. Ganun lang talaga pag-practice eh. Ilang naman kailangan
Pero
kong basic eh.
nakakangalay yun.
Nakakangalay pag manual. Nakapanibago.
Okay na yan.
Ayan, sige. Practice lang.
Practice muna.
Pero okay naman. Good take 2, diba? Better. Okay. Ayan, so start niya lang. Just so we can hear. Yun. Sounds good, diba? Ayan, so just like that, I'm home, guys. I'm home. I can finally rest. It was such a tiring day. Like, I swear. But yeah, at least now you guys got to see what we got, like the new car, diba? Yeah, just comment like if you think it's a nice car, like pwede na, diba? Maybe daily, yeah. So, yun. Thanks guys. Till next vlog. See you.